VSevolution review, demo, and $2,125 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my VSevolution review. Now I'm going to do a little demo for you. We're going to go through the sales page, the upsells, the inside of the members area, everything else. I have a huge over $2,000 bonus to it. I'm going to show you all of this in a second, but first of all, let's just focus on what it actually does. So VSevolution is a complete software that will essentially get you to the first page of Google and YouTube, okay? And you don't even have to shoot any videos, any of it. The software will actually create videos for you, then it will find the keywords that are super easy to rank for in under an hour, then it uploads it for you and syndicates everything for you, and it essentially gets you on top of Google and YouTube in under an hour. It's fully automated and it uses the power of trending keywords, and it also looks up the ranking factors for already successful videos, and then essentially it just copies it, okay? So it looks it up, you just have to swipe it, use it on your video, and you're going immediately to the first page of Google and YouTube. Instant free traffic, high quality traffic, and obviously sales are following, okay? So let me share my screen with you guys and let me show you exactly what this is, how it works, and what is it all about, okay? But first of all, let's just go to Fiverr and let's check out how much money you can make, even if you're just going to do this for someone else. So if you don't know if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, or you want to sell your own products, or you want to send the traffic to your blog, whatever, even if you're just going to do this for some other people that will pay you, as you can see, you can make, $10, $25 per gig. So these people do keyword research. As you can see, this person sold 188 gigs for $10. This one sold almost 1,000 gigs for $10. This one sold 581 gigs for $25. So as you can see, this is super newbie friendly. So even if you're gonna do nothing else, you can just cash in on some easy money doing keyword research. And again, keyword research with VSevolution can be done in under a minute, okay? So just another profit opportunity for you if you are brand new to this, if you don't know how to make money online, etc. And right now, let's just go through the sales page, okay? So as you can see, it says VSevolution, free trending targeted traffic for any niche in minutes. Stealth software unlocks unlimited free traffic from Google and YouTube in minutes. Copy and swipe free targeted trending traffic in the next 60 minutes. So you're gonna rank on Google and YouTube in minutes. You're gonna unlock 100% free trending traffic from Google and YouTube. No websites, no domains, SEO, backlinks, additional costs, and simple 4-click software. So very, very cool, because again, you don't need any backlinks, any social signals, any of it, anything related to SEO, you don't have to worry about. You just have to find the keyword with VSevolution and you're going immediately to the top of Google, okay? That's the cool thing about it. So again, you're just gonna copy and swipe already successful videos, and you're gonna go to the first page of Google. And as you can see, these guys have a ton of proof. And as you can see, these videos right here, these are the trending videos, okay? So this is exactly what you're going to be landing, okay? So obviously they have a little demo, they get tons of proof, both income proof and traffic proof. Mark, this is the guy behind the product, and he is launching this with Venkata and with Prady. So some more proof. VSevolution, this is the name of the product, and again, this is my VSevolution review. 4-step process. They will have a little demo right here. I'm going to show you the same demo in a minute. So a video wizard is included. So this is actually a 2-in-1 software. So it will find the right keywords and will look up all the necessary information for you in order for you to rank. And if you don't know how to create videos, it will actually create the videos for you. Essentially you can go for all of this in your own time. I'm not going to show you all of this. You can read it through in your own time, but right now let's jump into the members area, okay? So this is how the members area looks like. Now I'm not going to do a full demo because I would actually have to link up my accounts. I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's like a 7-minute video. You can check out all the information right there. Right now I just wanted to show you all of the options, all the training, etc. Okay, so first of all, you have the list of campaigns. You have all campaigns, active campaigns, drafted campaigns. Obviously you can create a new campaign right here. Then you have all the settings right here. So obviously you're gonna have to hook up your YouTube channel, your Vimeo, your Tumblr, your WordPress. And then we have the video training. So as you can see, we got how to get started with VSevolution, overview of VSevolution, how to get YouTube API keys, how to get YouTube client ID and secret key, how to authorize a Fumbler in VSevolution, how to link your WordPress website with VSevolution, how to search videos by keyword, how to create video in VSevolution, how to create overlay, intro, outro, and audio music to your YouTube video, how to post your video to YouTube video and Tumblr, and how to post your video to WordPress and then syndicate it to Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, so all of this video training, as you can see, is about actually using the software and making money with it. And a part of all this video training, you're also getting Black Ops, which is a training on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so we have all of these videos explaining exactly how to actually make money, the ideas behind affiliate marketing, and how to do this, not only in the technical way, but the whole psychology behind it. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting with VSevolution. And again, just creating a campaign will create the video for you. It will find the right keywords, all the ranking factors. It will rank the video for you, and you will be on Google page 1 and YouTube page 1 literally in under an hour. And again, check out the full demo. I'm going to have it both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so check it out. And right now let's go through all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, VSevolution has a number of different things that will be included, everything that I just showed you. So you're getting the keyword finder, you're getting the rank data generator, you're getting the competitor spy, you're getting the create 1 and 2, which is the video creator, and you are getting the syndication. So all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one tool, you're getting this all of this in the main product. Then we have OTO number 1, VSevolution Pro, which unlocks unlimited use, like unlimited research and videos per month, and also additional video training on how to make even more money with it, and it will be $37. Then we have OTO number 2, VSevolution Source. Now with this upsell, you can turn other people's videos and channels into instant traffic and affiliate sales. You can legally swipe and repurpose existing targeted traffic, target any niche you like in minutes, and exploit product specifics, phrases for super fast ranking and profit. And that's $27. That's OTO number 2. Then we have OTO number 3, VSevolution Source Pro, which is the limitless version of VSE Source, containing additional software features, 0 restrictions, and income-based training. That's $37. And again, that's the third OTO. And the fourth OTO, we have the VSevolution Agency / reseller, which means that you can essentially sell this product as your own and all of the upsells and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Now we have the 1000 reseller pack for $97 or 30 reseller pack for $67. So we have 2 options there. So as you can see, you'll be fine with the main product alone. Everything you need is right there. You get a 5-in-1 tool that will rank your videos, but if you want to unlock the additional features and get additional training, then you can definitely consider one of the OTOs. Okay, so right now let me show you all of the bonuses that I'm adding to VSevolution, and some of these are super exclusive and super custom made, especially by me for VSevolution. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you my Fiverr Income Secrets course, which is a course on how to make money on Fiverr. So again, I showed you some Fiverr examples in the beginning. You can start selling gigs for $10 to $25 using VSevolution and just cash in on the easiest money that you'll ever make with Fiverr. Okay, So that's only one of my Fiverr courses. You are also getting Fiverr Masterclass, which is another one of my Fiverr courses. Everything from creating an account, optimizing your gigs, optimizing your channel, making more money with upsells is inside Fiverr Masterclass. And I'm also giving you Riser, which is a third course on how to make money on Fiverr, and a part of that you're getting a ton of W's of the Day awarded courses and software products. All of this for free, by the way. Newbie Traffic Formula, that's my W's of the Day awarded course. VidSkippy 2.0, that's a software that will help you with creating videos. Hookum, that's another W's of the Day course, everything about making money with affiliate marketing. Flip Me, my W's of the Day course on flipping, buying low, selling high. Then we have Tube Traffic Avalanche, my own course on YouTube marketing, very, very useful, especially with VSevolution. Then we have some plugins. We have Facebook Quiz Creator, we have Mobile Two-Step Opt-in Generator, we have Viral Source, we have In Content Pop-Up Pro for engagement, we have Video Focus, we have Smart Commenter, we have SocialQuick, connecting all of your social media accounts. We have my case study on how to generate free traffic from Facebook, and then we have 9 additional money-making plugins and software. Affiliate Advantage, the Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar Plugin, and Shortcode Call to Action. And on top of all of this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. And together with all of the other bonuses that I just showed you, that's a total of $2,125. Now, as you can see right here on my blog, I have a full written review, so you can go through all of this. I'm going to have this review right here, and also the demo that I told you about. So both right here on my blog and on my YouTube channel. If you're gonna click on one of these blue links at any point, you're gonna go directly to the sales page and you're gonna get my bonuses. Okay, so I have a written review right here, all of my bonuses. As you can see, I have the specifications of all of the OTOs and a little sum up right here. So check out my written review as well. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel. And as you can see, you can make tons of money with VSevolution. This is an amazing piece of software, both for newbies and experienced marketers. You can make money with it on Fiverr, uploading your own videos. This works in any niche, and free traffic, that is the highest possible targeted traffic that you can get, both from YouTube and Google. It just doesn't get any better than this. So guys, if you enjoyed this review video, please give it a like. And just to quickly sum it up, what I like about it, first of all, you're getting free traffic from both Google and YouTube. It doesn't get any better than this. Secondly, this works in under 60 minutes. Okay, so you will see results instantly. You don't have to work for hours and then we'll wait for weeks or months to see results. You will see results instantly, and obviously you can do this in any niche. The only downside, I would say, that is that maybe after a few months or maybe even a few weeks, most of these keywords will not stick, because when it comes to trending keywords, it goes up and down. If someone is trending right now, it won't be trending 3 months from now. But that's the only downside. When it comes to trending keywords, you will see results instantly. So you do something today, you see results today. You don't have to worry about it 2 or 3 months from now. So that's the pluses, that's the minuses. And again, if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog and on my YouTube channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next review video. Ciao.